Hi everyone, it's your girl Regina coming to you with another video. In today's video, I am going to answer a question that keeps coming up in my Facebook group. How to add a name to your Santa bag. Santa bags or Santa sacks are super popular this year. Everybody is running out to Dollar Tree and grabbing the 100% polyester pillowcases and turning them into a Santa sack. But the problem is, we're also grabbing SVG files right off Etsy, but it's perfectly okay because we're supporting our sisters and brothers in crafting, but we don't know how to add the name when you purchase these files. If this is your first time joining me, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you will not miss out on part two when we actually sublimate the Santa site. But in this video, I'm going to show you just how to add the name. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to head over to Etsy and grab you a Santa site bundle. I grabbed my bundle off Black Cats Media. It was 10 different designs for only $1.50. So I definitely want to give them a shout out. I have sold over 20 bags already without just using their different SVG Santa Psych file. So make sure if you're looking for a Santa Psych file, this is the perfect one. So once I grab my file, I download the particular one that I want to do for the customer that I am making for that particular time. Once I download the file, I head over here to Canva and I hit create designs. And then I go to custom design. As you can see, I already have the 8.5 by 11 already saved because I normally for these type of designs, I make sure I use the size of my paper that I'm using in my sublimation printer. So if you're not using an 8 point by 11 sheet of paper, if you're using a bigger paper, you just change the px to inches and you type in the size of the paper that you're using. And then you hit create new design. Once you hit create new design, you're going to just get a blank page, which is perfectly fine because that's what you need. Your next step is to upload the file that you're about to do, which is the Santa sack. If it's the last file that you downloaded, all you have to do is go to quick access and it's going to be at the very top of the page. So you select that file. If it's not the last thing that you downloaded, then just go to downloads and select that file that way. So you're going to click open and you're going to see the little turquoise button all filling up like it's on the rainforest or something. But once your file completely uploads, then you just want to click on it. The next thing that I do is I just stretch it out to make sure that it fits the page completely. Once it fits the page completely without cutting anything out, that's when I go ahead and add the name. So you want to hit text and you're going to get add headers. I'm doing all of this on the free version of Canva, so don't worry, it won't cost you any extra money. So then I hit add heading, and then it's going to come up right on my Santa site. So I want to bring it down so that it will be in the area where the name goes. Then we're going to type in the name that we're using. And today I am going to use my niece name. She's 6 months old, and this will be her very first Christmas. So I just want to give Jamil a shout out from her aunt. Love you, niece. Now, I'm not really happy with this particular file. I like to use the bold file, the bold font for these particular bags. So you can just click on the arrow button right here and you can change the font to whatever you want to use it. I usually use a bold font. And then I just hit the plus button right here next to the name so that I can get it as big as I want because I'm not sure exactly what size will fit perfectly in that square. So I just hit it until it gets to the point where I like it. Once you touch the name, Canva is going to give you that little line that straight down the middle so that you will make sure that your name is centered for this particular design. Once I get her name in, you just want to hit share and download. This will download your file onto your computer, and now you're ready to print. Now, what I normally do is I go over here to Microsoft Word. As you can see, I had already printed one, but I'm going to show you guys how I do it. And you're going to hit insert and picture this device. Then the file that you just downloaded is going to appear at the top. You're going to click on it and hit insert. The next thing that I do is I just stretch it out so that it will fit the page. Of course, you're going to say, oh, Regina, oh my God, it's not fitting right. Go right here to position, hit center, and it's going to center itself all over again. So I just stretch it out just a little bit more because I wanted to fit all over that first sheet. Because I'm actually going to print the design on two sheets so that it will be large enough for the bag. So once you got it all centered and all stretched out and everything is showing, then you want to hit file. You want to go over here to print, and then you want to go into your printer preference. Before everybody get all bent out of shame and send me all these comments, I just want to let everybody know that my sublimation printer is already set up with the sublimation settings. It's already set to print slow. It's already set to print mirror. So I don't never touch any of those settings. So in order to make this picture large, normally the multiple page is off, but I have recently been printing a lot of Santa bags. So you want to go to multiple page. You want to pick 2x1 poster. You want to make sure your printer preview is on, and you're going to hit OK. The next thing that you're going to do is hit print because now you're ready. What's going to happen is your printer preview is going to pop up, and it's going to show you that now your print is going to print into design, and it's going to also show you that my printer is already ready to be mirrored. So the next step in this process is to just print your design. I hope you guys learned how to add a name to your Santa sack bag so that you will know exactly which Santa sack goes to which person. Thank you guys for watching another one of my videos, and I will see you on part 2 when we actually sublimate this design. Thank you guys for watching.